Cities are reeling as the meteor storm, zombie epidemic, and alien encounters continue unabated. Safe to say, this is the
Best week ever.
What are you doing? Run!
It's the week of greatness. What you doing?
It's really happening! This is a real thing!
Nah, man. This is the real thing.
Are you wearing the new Icon Clash?
I need this in a size 8.
I need a 6.
I need this in a 16. I got you.
Not today.
Is it dead?
Class not dead.
Hell yeah.
Hey, kid, where are you headed? You know it's the end of the world, right?
Yeah, but it's the start of week of greatness. It's the best week ever.